Hi everyone, today I have prepared Mangalorean Kulkuls or Kidiyo without eggs or semolina. They turned out crunchy and very delicious too. Welcome back to You and I Can Cook with me Asha. There are other Christmas recipes on my channel, do check them out. Let's check out the recipe now. Take 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of rice powder, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, half teaspoon salt. I am making eggless kulkuls, so I won't be using any egg now. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. I have made the butter hot. I'm going to make a dough now using coconut milk. Add a little at a time. Cover with a damp towel and allow it to rest for a few minutes. Dough has been resting for about 30 minutes now. I will now make the kulkuls. You can use the forks to make the kulkuls, or you can use this unused comb. Small balls from the dough. I've greased this fork. Hold it in one finger and slide till the end of the fork. Here so that it will not open up while frying. This is a test to see if the oil has heated. I just dropped a small ball of dough. It should come up very slowly. If it comes up fast, then the kulkuls will fry only on the outside and not in the inside. Fry the kulkuls on medium flame till they turn golden. I will put the next batches now. Sugar has melted now. Allow it to cook till it comes to a one string consistency. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon too. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.